Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will look into the MCQs related to Bharat Ratna Awards. So let's start the MCQs. Question number 1. Which of the following is the highest civilian award in India? Option A Bharat Ratna, Option B Padma Vibhushan, Option C Padma Shri, or Option D Padma Bhushan. So the highest civilian award in India is, the correct option is option A, that is Bharat Ratna. So A is the correct option. So correct answer is option A. Now let's move to question number 2. In which year Bharat Ratna was institutionalized? Option A 1947, option B 1950, option C 1954, or option D 1962. So Bharat Ratna was institutionalized in, the correct option is option C, that is in the year 1954. On 2nd January 1954, Bharat Ratna was institutionalized. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 3. The Bharat Ratna is in the shape of a leaf. Which of the following trees leaf design it is? Option A mango leaf, option B peepal leaf, option C banyan leaf, or option D banana leaf. So Bharat Ratna is in the shape of a leaf, and the leaf is, the correct option is option B, that is it is a peepal leaf. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 4. Who among the following was first recipient of Bharat Ratna? Option A C.V. Raman, option C Rajagopalachari, option C Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, or option D all of the above. So first Bharat Ratna was given in the year 1954, and the first recipient of Bharat Ratna was C.V. Raman, C. Rajagopalachari, and Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So all of the above was the first recipient. So D is the correct option, that is all of the above. Now let's move to question number 5. Who was the youngest recipient of Bharat Ratna? Option A Sachin Tendulkar, option B C.V. Raman, option C Rajendra Prasad, or option D Indira Gandhi. So the youngest recipient of Bharat Ratna was, the correct option is option A, that is Sachin Tendulkar. So he was awarded the Bharat Ratna in the year 2014, and he is the first sportsman to be awarded Bharat Ratna, and he is the youngest uh, person. So A is the correct option. And as far as the oldest person is concerned, the oldest one is Dhondo Kesav Karve, who was the oldest recipient of Bharat Ratna. So in this question, Sachin Tendulkar is the correct option, that is A. Now let's move to question number 6. Consider the following statement. Statement A. The Bharat Ratna, which is India's highest civilian award, are only given to the Indian nationals. Statement B. In 1996, the Supreme Court of India upheld the constitutional validity of the Bharat Ratna and other national awards. Statement C. The award is given by the Prime Minister of India. Which of the following statement is or are correct? So when it comes to the statement, statement A is a correct statement, because we have already seen that Bharat Ratna is the India's highest civilian award. But I'm sorry, statement A is incorrect, because Bharat Ratna are given to the different nationals, not only the Indian citizen but also the citizens of other countries are also awarded with Bharat Ratna. So A is an incorrect statement. As far as statement B is concerned, in 1996 Supreme Court has upheld the constitutional validity of Bharat Ratna and other national awards. So statement B is correct. Now as far as statement C is concerned, the award, the recommendation for the award is given by the Prime Minister of India to the President of India, but award is given by the President of India. So statement C is an incorrect statement. So the correct option will be option number C, that is only B. So only B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 7. What is the rank of Bharat Ratna holders in the Indian order of precedence? Option A 6th, option B 10th, option C 2nd, or option D 7th. So those who are awarded the Bharat Ratna in the Indian order of precedence, they are at the 7th position. So D is the correct option. So they share the position along with the leader of opposition of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, also along with the state chief minister, and they are above the judges of the Supreme Court, not above the Chief Justice of India, but above the judges of the Supreme Court and High Court. So D is the correct option, that is 7th. Now let's move to question number 8. Who was the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna? Option A Lata Mangeshkar, option B Indira Gandhi, option C Sarojini Naidu, or option D Mother Teresa. So the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna is, the correct option is option B, that is Indira Gandhi. So she was the former Prime Minister of India and she was awarded the Bharat Ratna. So she was the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 9. Which Indian freedom fighter was awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously? Option A Bhagat Singh, option B Subhash Chandra Bose, option C Veer Savarkar, or option D Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. So the Indian freedom fighter who was awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously is, the correct option is option D, that is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. So he was awarded the Bharat Ratna, and the correct option is option D, that is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Now let's move to question number 10. Recently, which of the following was nominated for Bharat Ratna? Option A L.K. Advani, option B Karpuri Thakur, option C P.V. Narasimha Rao, option D Chaudhary Charan Singh, or option E all of the above. So the Prime Minister of India, that is Sri Narendra Modi, has recently recommended the names to the President of India for Bharat Ratna. So among these, all of the above is correct, that is option E is correct. The L.K. Advani was recommended, and also Karpuri Thakur, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Charan Singh, and also Dr. M.S. Swaminathan was recommended by the Prime Minister of India for Bharat Ratna. So E is the correct option, that is all of the above. Also, the 50th Bharat Ratna, that is 50th Bharat Ratna was given to, the correct option is option A, that is L.K. Advani. So please remember this. Now let's move to question number 11. The first non-Indian to receive Bharat Ratna was option A Nelson Mandela, option B Mother Teresa, option C Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, or option D Martin Luther King Jr. So the first non-Indian to receive Bharat Ratna was, the correct option is option C, that is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. So he was given Bharat Ratna in the year 1987. So in the year 1987 he was given Bharat Ratna. Mother Teresa was a naturalized citizen of India. So she will not be counted as a non-Indian. So here the correct option will be option C, that is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 12. Which Indian industrialist was awarded the Bharat Ratna? Option A Jamshedji Tata, option B J.R.D. Tata, option C Ghanshyam Das Birla, or option D, Ratan Tata. So the industrialist, the only industrialist who was awarded Bharat Ratna is, the correct option is option B, that is J.R.D. Tata. So J.R.D. Tata was awarded Bharat Ratna, and he is the only industrialist in India. He is the only industrialist who has been given Bharat Ratna. So B is the correct option, that is option B. Now let's move to question number 13. Which of the following image is depicted on Bharat Ratna? Option A, Earth, option B, Sun, option C, Mars, or option D, map of India. So the image of Sun is depicted on the award. So the correct option is option B, that is Sun. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 14. Which of the following helps in the shortlisting of recipient for the Bharat Ratna? Option A, PMO, that is Prime Minister's Office. Option B, Ministry of Defense. Option C, Ministry of Home Affairs. Or option D, Ministry of Finance. So the ministry or the department or the government agency which is included in the, which is there working for the nomination, the shortlisting and the recommendation of the name is, the correct option is option C, that is Ministry of Home Affairs. So Ministry of Home Affairs is working to shortlist the name of the recipient for the Bharat Ratna. So C is the correct option. So this was the last question of this Bharat Ratna video, and few more things are there related to Bharat Ratna, that the Bharat Ratna is given to not only to the Indian citizen but also the citizens of other countries, and twice in the history Bharat Ratna was the Bharat Ratna names were not recommended by the Prime Minister. It was at the time of Morarji Desai and also in the year 1995. So please remember these facts. I hope that you have liked the video. Do subscribe our channel and please press the like button. Thank you.